Hi guys, welcome to Family in the Feast channel. I'm Janet and today's video will be all about pepper pot. Remember, for all the ingredients and measurement, it will be listed down below in the description box. Let's get started. So guys, here's what you will need for your pepper pot. I have oil, ketchup, some casareep, sweet and savory sauce, and sweet soy sauce, some Chinese sauce. I have some honey, Accent, Adobo, and Goya Sazon. I have some thyme, some basil, bandana, also known as cilantro. I have wiri pepper, garlic. I have celery stick, pimento pepper, scallions. I have some orange peel, some clove, cinnamon stick, and black pepper. I also have my meat. This is my cow heel that I'm going to use, and some of the beef chunks. So let's get started. First, we're going to start by preparing our green seasoning. So let me show you how I do that. So we're gonna add in our seasoning to our blender. I'm gonna add in my basil leaf, my pepper, pimento, garlic, and this is my celery stick, my bandana, and I'm using quite a few sprigs of thyme, so I'm just gonna chop the heads, and I'm gonna add in my sprigs of thyme and my scallions. So now that all the seasoning is in the blender, we're gonna chop this finely. You don't want it into a paste. So guys, here's a look at my green seasoning. It's nice and finely chopped. Now I have a big basin that I'm going to add both of my meat in. So I'm going to add my cow heel in this basin. All that green seasoning on top of it. And now we're gonna add in all our clove, our black pepper seed, and the cinnamon stick. And I'm going to add in my Sazon. We're just going to leave the orange peel on the side for now. And I'm going to add in my Accent. And I'm going to add in my adobo. So guys, now that I add all my green seasoning and my dry seasoning, I'm going to marinate this a little. Here's the look, guys. This is all done marinating, and we're going to head out to the stove now. So guys, my pot is on and I'm gonna add in my oil. My stove is on high heat. I'm gonna allow my oil to come up to a nice hot temperature before I add in my meat. So now that my oil is hot, I am going to add in my meat. We're gonna give this a good stir. We're gonna allow this now to fry for a few minutes before we start adding any of the sauce or any water. So guys, I'm gonna add in my orange peel now. And it's been about 10 minutes since I have my meat frying. I am going to add in all my sauce that I've combined in one container. So now that I mixed the sauce in, I'm going to add in my water. So now that I add all my sauces and my ingredients to the pepper pot, I'm going to cover this and allow it to come up to a boil, and we're going to check on it in the next hour. Because I'm cooking this in a pot, it will take longer to boil, so we're going to leave this to boil for an hour. So guys, it's been 1 hour and I'm checking on my pepper pot. And it's looking really good. It smells really good. So guys, my pepper pot still have enough water. I'm gonna cover this again and I'm gonna check on it in 45 minutes more. So you want to make sure you check on it so that the water doesn't run out from boiling the meat. So we're gonna check on this back again in 45 minutes. So guys, it's been that extra 45 minutes and I'm going to test one of the meat to make sure that it's cooked and it's nice and soft. Alright, so this is still a little bit tough. I am going to leave it to cook a little bit more. We will check on this in the next 30 minutes again. You want to make sure you check on it so that there is still enough water to boil. So guys, it's been that extra 30 minutes and I can see all my beef is already fully cooked and have that nice tenderness that I like. So I'm gonna take those out of the pot because I can feel the heel, the cow heel, still need to cook some more. It's not nice and soft the way I like it. So I'm gonna take the meat part out and I'm gonna allow the cow heel to boil a little bit more. I don't like when the meat is overcooked and it's like falling apart. So I'm gonna take those out and allow the heel to boil for some more time. So I'm gonna add some more water to this. I'm gonna give it a stir and we're gonna cover this again and allow it to cook for the next 30 minutes and we'll check on it. Because I'm not using a pressure pot, it's gonna take a really long time So if you're in the mood to make pepper pot, know that it's going to take a really long time. So guys, it's been that extra 30 minutes and I'm gonna check on one piece of my meat to make sure it is that nice softness that I like. This still needs some more time, guys. I'm gonna add some more water again and I'm gonna allow it to cook again for 30 minutes. So guys, it's been another 30 minutes and I'm gonna add in my meat again. And we're gonna mix this in. This is nice and soft, to the softness that I like my meat to be. Some of the meat has already fallen off the bone. That's the way I like it. This is all done now. So guys, Chloe's gonna try our pepper pot and she will tell you how good it is. We made some tennis roll and some homemade bread for our pepper pot. I will also leave you the link for my tennis roll and my bread recipe down below in the description box. So Chloe, go ahead and try it and let them know how good it is.
Good. Bye. See you next time. Bye. Bye.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.